Hi everyone, thank you for joining me on my channel. My name is Lori and I am currently 36 weeks pregnant. So today I have a box, reveal box, and this is from the Noobie box, and this is for new mommies. And this company is just like this. There you go. This company is just like, have you guys heard about those companies that you pay like a monthly fee and then you receive at home like a box of products, and it's supposed to be worth like or $200 and you only pay like $30-40? Well, this is something similar, but this is actually baby stuff. So they have three different things. They have one for new parents, and so the whatever comes in the box is going to be for the parents, for the new parents. Or you can also select a nurse box, and that will be more for like moms that are breastfeeding. And I believe there's one for babies. So this gives you three options that you can select a box that you want to receive. But this one is different. They don't do a monthly box. They actually do one at 0 months or newborn. They do one for 4 months, 7 and 9 months. So the one that you're gonna see here, you can, when you order a prescription for this box, you can request this one for free, but you do have to pay shipping, and that is gonna be $6.95. So every box is worth, when you order a box, if you order for the whole year, and which I 1 2 3 4 4 boxes, 5 with the free one, that's gonna come to $120. But if you don't, if you only go online and request the free box, then you automatically get an email later on saying that you can save $20 if you want to get all those boxes for $100. So this optional. I think it's worth it just to go and get this one and see what's inside. And the cool thing about it is that when you order your prescription, you can also see what's going to be in each box, and then you can see if it's something that you guys wanna receive every 4 months, pretty much, right? But in this video, I'm gonna give you an update of the free box, which is gonna be June 2019. So I just got this in the mail. I haven't even seen what's inside. I have seen other videos from other mamas, but I have a feeling that this one is gonna have like new things that are not on those. So I just want to give you an update. If you want to order this for free and not even get the prescription, this is going to be $6.95 for shipping only. So let's see if what is inside it's worth for that. So benefits to having the Noobie Box membership with the boxes is that there have several companies or partnerships that you can order products and get a discount just for being a member with them. So that's kind of cool, because I saw online that one is like breastfeeding, bottles, and baby clothes and things like that. So those are just the benefits that you can get by having the membership with them. So I'm gonna open this right here. As you can see, I haven't opened it. So this one is gonna be a welcome, so for welcome parents. So I believe that this box is more for like new parents, but obviously if you are expecting, you're more than welcome to order this and just pay the shipping. So they're saying that when you unwrap this box, it's going to be filled with exciting goodies and help you in your new journey also in the motherhood. And there's also here information what I was telling you about, you guys, the 4 different boxes you can order. There's one for 0 to 3 months, 4 to 6 months, 7 to 9 months, and 10 to 12 months. So every box that you receive, you're gonna receive goodies or things that are gonna help your baby develop, or in this journey of motherhood while your baby is growing. Let's just open this up. Alright, and this is what it's inside. So as you can see, we have a guide. Okay, and this guide, you are gonna get some breastfeeding help, baby registry checklist, birth facts. So there's just, if you like to read, Oh, and also it shows you things that are in the box, what they are and where they come from. And so there's also coupons. I like that. There's coupons from different products. Even right here, if you are looking for a car seat cover, so there's some coupons here. Also, if you're looking for a nursing pillow, if you're looking for breast pads, so here's some coupons for that. Also, there's different reviews for different products. If you are still doing some research on which car seat or things to get for your baby, so that's what is pretty much in this book. So if you like to read and just to be more informed, great. Oh, this is a good coupon right here. I believe it's called the Milk Flow. So it helps you have a better to support your milk supply for your baby, and it gives you some information about different nursing essentials that you might need. So I like that they encourage moms to breastfeed, just because I am one of those moms that like to breastfeed. All right, so let's go here. Okay, so here we got an example of the Milk Flow. So this is a breakfast supplement, so you can have like a milkshake or just drink it with water. So this is just an example. And it has like no artificial anything, no gluten-free, no GMO. So that's what a lot of moms recommend, that brand. Okay, so I believe this one is more for mommy. I never seen this in any of my unboxing from other products. So usually it's just stuff for the babies, but this time they add something for the mom, and they're just some pads. I'm trying to see if there's a coupon in there and how many are. Oh, there's 2 in there. See those? As you can see, there's also a bottle. What I believe for this brand, and there's also a pacifier. Just the bottle, it's around $7. So just by having the bottle plus a pacifier, I believe that pacifier costs around, for this brand, it costs like $3 to $5. So just by this little gift, there is your money. Oh, and then you get a second pacifier, newborn pacifier. Okay, Cuties. This is a brand for diapers, and in this box it's size 1, and you get 5 diapers. Great way to try diapers and see what is best for your baby. This is their I like this kind of diapers because it's the ones that they're really good to take care of our earth. It's not gonna be those ones that takes forever to just disappear. So good diapers in here. Also get a this is trying to see, it's for babies and children, says body and hair. It's a gel for the baby. Never seen this product before. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. It's only 8 millimeters, so it's like super tiny. All right, we have seen this one. It's a baby lotion. It protects their baby. It's for dry skin. So these ones are awesome because you can have this in your diaper bag and you don't have to carry like the whole bottle. And also I saw a coupon for this product in the magazine, and I saw, we also saw a coupon for the Milk Flow. All right, here we have another one. What is gonna be for stop baby irritation, so it's more like a cream for the baby, and there's also a small size. Look how small it is. Just like this one. Last thing here, as you can see, it's gonna be the nursing pads and storage milk, and I believe there's 2 of each in here. And I wonder if this bag, let me open this very fast, has any coupons. So here they are. Yep, there is a coupon here, and this is gonna be for the natural Cerbees, and this is vitamins for babies, vitamin D. And there's also a coupon in this booklet if you are looking for nursing pads. In this brand they have a lot of stuff actually. So I'm sure they have, like, as you see, they have they're always advertise the nursing pads, but they also advertise the milk storage. So here is a 20% on your order. So $6.99 if it's worth it to order this box. In my opinion, yeah, just if you don't really have a bottle. The coupons also make it up because just for the vitamin D is $3.50 coupon here. So I like the fact that you can try products, and then if they really work for you and your family, then you have already tried them and you're sure that you're not going to spend your money in something that you really not going to like. So this is why I really like the unboxing about different products and different companies, because it gives me the freedom to check new products and check what's in the market. Like I'm going with baby number 5, and I never had tried all these products. Well, the only one that I used before is just the bags and the nursing pads. That's it. But talking about the milk flow and the cutie diapers, also pacifiers, I was really kind of concerned about giving my kids pacifier at the beginning because I was breastfeeding. So just having those here, it gives me the freedom to try it and see if I like it, and if I do, buy it again. So I just wanted to share with you what was in this box. Remember, this is the June 2019 box, and it doesn't mean that every month is different, but I believe the companies like to rotate or probably try new products, or new partnerships come in, and then they're just trying to add new products in their boxes. So what I think that is new that I haven't seen in other boxes, news boxes on YouTube, will be the pads for the moms, and also this ones that I'm still trying to figure out what it is, because so it's a gel. Honestly, what happened is this is too small that is so hard to read and see what it's in here. But I will leave a link on the bottom of this video if you are interested to order this free box and a free box, but you still have to pay for shipping, and that's gonna be $6.95 as I was sharing. If you are interested in the membership, or if you want to buy the membership for someone else, I will recommend you to create an account. And if you want to have a different type of email, just because you don't want to get a lot of emails from them in your personal email, I recommend you to open a brand new email for any of your boxes that you are going to be ordering, because you can order one for Amazon, you can order one for get a bag for Target, baby breakfast for Target, and if you can see in my channel, I have some other unboxing. So open an email, and then you open the account with the Noobie Box, and I'm going to leave the link on the bottom. And when you do that, if you are thinking to order the whole year of boxes for this company, I recommend you to first open your account and then order your free box. And when you order your free box, you should be getting an email with a $20 off discount for the whole year. So instead of you paying $120, you're just gonna pay $99.95, and you're gonna be receiving 4 extra boxes, one at newborn, 4 months, 7 months, and 9 months. So that is the information that that by my experience that I noticed, like, that was kind of cool. At first I didn't know you can get those $20 off, but don't order it right away. First order your free box, and then in a couple days later you're gonna be getting those $20 off, and then you can order for the whole year. Alright, well, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or any comments, you're more than welcome to write it down. And check out my channel. I have some other unboxing like products, so just want to share this ones for you, guys, and this is the new update Noobie Box for June 2019. Bye. Well, thank you and see you next time. Bye.